Are you looking for a floor-standing bass speaker? In this video, I will show you the 5 best floor-standing bass speakers based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the SVS Prime Pinnacle Floor-Standing Speakers. Prime Pinnacle Floor-Standing Speakers. Prime Pinnacle Floor-Standing Speaker has smooth, crisp and refined sound without sacrificing effortless bass and jaw-dropping dynamic impact. All-new driver array and 3-way sound match crossover housed in a classically striking tower speaker design. Prime Pinnacle is world-class audio for everyone. All-new 5.25-inch mid-range driver with composite glass fiber cone delivers pinpoint accuracy and broad soundstage for more immersive audio experiences. Premium 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter renders crystal-clear highs with revealing clarity and lifelike realism at all playback levels. The 4th product on the list is the Polk Signature Series S60 Floor-Standing Speaker. Built to bring the big surround sound theater and music experience into the comfort of your living room, the Polk Signature Series continues in the Polk tradition of American hi-fi. A dynamic balance-designed acoustic array, precision crossovers, an anti-diffraction magnetic grille, modern cabinet styling, and exclusive power port bass-enhancing technology, you get elevated sound for movies, TV, and music in a totally reimagined design. The 3rd product on the list is the Klipsch RP8000F Reference Premier. The Klipsch RP8000F floor-standing speaker delivers incredible cinematic sound by leveraging our proprietary TrackRix horn-loaded technology and dual 8-inch copper-spun cerametallic woofers. Klipsch's proprietary TrackRix horn-loading technology ensures high-frequency energy of the RP8000F floor-standing speaker is aimed directly at the listener and reduces unwanted, artificial reverb caused by indirect sound bouncing off walls. The 2nd product on the list is the JMO Studio Series S809 Floor-Standing Speaker. The S809 is our JMO flagship Dolby Atmos tower speaker. 3 impressive 127mm, 5-inch, aluminized polyfiber woofers, and a 25mm soft dome tweeter deliver an amazing acoustic performance. Each speaker includes a patent-pending connection point atop the cabinet for seamless integration of the S8 ATM topper to deliver the overhead effect of Dolby Atmos. The 1-inch soft dome tweeter provides smooth, refined high frequencies, with 3 5-aluminized polyfiber woofers for balanced, cinematic low end. The 1st product on the list is the Elac Debut 2.0 F6.2 Floor-Standing Speaker. The pinnacle of Elac Debut 2.0 series is the F6.2, a floor stands with credentials to play in the big leagues. Whether your aim is to build a formidable 2-channel or surround sound system for music and home theater, there isn't a more capable performer for anywhere near the price. It's a no-excuses speaker guaranteed to change your definition of value in high-end audio. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.